extreme weather events, rising costs of living, a global pandemic that brought the world to a halt. The last few years have been challenging, to say the least. Adapting to these changes is more than an individual struggle. The systems and structures around us need to be resilient in order for us to survive. But how exactly can we do that?
As architects, we need to recognize that the built environment plays a major role in shaping our lives and experiences. A resilient community is aware of its current and future risks and vulnerabilities and are able to prepare for them, tackle them, adapt and recover successfully. How well they do that is determined by the social, economic, physical and environmental frameworks such as local codes and regulations on construction and planning, accessibility to infrastructure and amenities, and the national response to urbanization.
Architecture for Resilient Communities is a holistic approach to urban and rural designs that prioritizes environmentally and socially respectful architecture. And the first step is to identify the environmental factors that we're up against.
Urbanization and climate change are the biggest challenges of our time. How well cities are designed and governed determines how well they address these challenges. Contextualized strategies that prioritize disaster risk reduction and the use of local materials and construction methods are one way of adapting sustainable design practices. Such examples include using readily available materials such as timber construction in tropical climates, using stilts for flood-prone areas, and rammed earth and stabilized block for earthquake-prone areas. Promoting blue-green infrastructure and nature-based solutions is another sustainable urban design strategy to enhance resilience in communities.
Addressing social issues is equally essential in the context of resilient architecture.
We actively involve local communities in the design process to ensure their needs are met. Stakeholder participation is a major factor in architects' role in ensuring community resilience. Form follows needs and context.
This community-centered approach fosters social cohesion and resilience by strengthening interpersonal bonds and empowering residents to actively participate in shaping their surroundings.
Ensuring cities are inclusive, resilient, safe, and equitable means that no one is left behind and every voice is represented, especially those that are the most vulnerable and marginalized in the community.
It is essential that we recognize this and build inclusive, adaptable, and sustainable environments. The end goal is not just to create resilient structures, but a resilient society, and ultimately, a world that can withstand whatever the future has in store for us.